How to use Midea Oven, complete guide. First, turn on the oven. Turn the function selector knob to the cooking mode you want. Turn the temperature knob to the desired temperature, and if your model has a digital display, set the cooking time if needed. Then press start. Step 2. Preheat the oven. Preheating helps food cook evenly. Set the oven to desired temperature. Wait until the preheat indicator turns off or the oven beeps. Place food inside only after preheating is complete. Step 3. Choose the correct mode. Common Midea oven modes include conventional, it's best for cakes, bread, and everyday baking. Convection or fan mode, it uses a fan to circulate hot air. It's great for cookies, multiple trays, and even cooking. Grill, ideal for toast, burgers, sausages, and browning food. Grill plus fan, better for thicker cuts of meat, cooks more evenly than standard grill mode. Pizza mode gives extra bottom heat for crispy crusts. Defrost circulates room temperature air to thaw frozen food. And keep warm maintains food temperature without further cooking. Step 4. Set the temperature. These are the typical temperatures for different kinds of food. Step 5. Cooking. Place food on the middle rack unless a recipe says otherwise. Avoid opening the door frequently, and opening the door lets heat escape and increases cooking time. Step 6. After cooking, turn all knobs to off, remove food using oven gloves, and leave the door slightly open for a few minutes to help cool the cavity. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And as always, see you in the next video.